We'll guide you through how to download and install third-party mods in Farming Simulator 25. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Mods can completely change up the game. They could be vehicles, implements, or even maps. So let's go and get started. You probably know that you can go and get mods through the downloadable content section, but you may want to go and get some third-party ones. To do that, you need to go and quit the game. After you've done that, you need to go and open up a web browser and go to a mod site. Make sure you use a trusted one. There are quite a few different ones out there. I personally use Farming Simulator 25mods.com before. We can then start browsing through the different mods available here. In this case, I'll go and get this mod here. So what we can then do is scroll down, you'll see some info about it, and you can go and see the option for download mod, like so. Now, I just want to make you be aware that there's often ads on these websites which say download, for example, like here. The download button is for the ad, not the mod. So just be aware you use the actual download button. For example, here, this is the actual one, which I can then click on. Then I can scroll down again and find the actual download button again here, and then it will go and download. After you've downloaded it, go and open up your file explorer, go over to the left and select downloads and go and find the mod or mods and just drag it onto your desktop. And you then want to stay in File Explorer and click on Documents to the left, scroll down and go and find the My Games folder, click on that, and click on Farming Simulator 25. Then you should go and find the mods folder, and what you need to do is go and drag the mod in like so. And that's it. Now you can go and open up Farming Simulator again. We could go and use an existing game save or a new one. I'll use an existing one. You'll go and see the mod here. Make sure you go and select it like so. You can go and deselect it or select it in the bottom right. Press start and that's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.